it, Chunky. Audrey is not happy that the dog's taking the ball, but the ball is the dog's, so. She's telling them, no, no, where's the ball? Oh, Chunky's got the ball still, Audrey. Yeah? She's still got the ball. Chunky! Don't hit her, Audrey. That's her ball. Oh, now Chaz has it. That's not your ball. You're gonna go put it with the other ones? Put it with the other ones. See all these balls right here? They are the dog's balls. But Audrey thinks they are hers, so yeah. Alright guys, come on. Want one? Go get it. Audrey. Did you get it? Yeah, I figured you would. Sweetheart, you can't... I think she's given up on trying to get the ball back. Audrey. There it is. Still there.